Today, I will teach you how to enable and install Spout2. Having Spout2 installed helps you reduce your CPU usage and hide all the menus that you basically use during your streaming journey on VTube Studio. Yay! To start, go in here. Now, to install Spout2, you have to go to Virtual Webcam Configuration, then Spout2 Configuration, and click Install Spout2. Also, don't forget to click Activate Spout2. When you click Install Spout2, this pops up, and you click OK. Now, you need to visit this website. I will put the link in the description. This is where you download this Spout2 and install it into OBS Studio. So don't worry if the version is different for you, the installation is still the same. So for me the version is 1.8, but it may be different for you. So yeah, don't worry, it will work. Now make sure to install it in the same location as your OBS Studio and on the same disk as OBS Studio. Okay. OBS time! Now it's time to add it to OBS. Go in here, click on this plus, then add Spout2. Name it something that you will recognize. Add it. Choose VTube Studio Spout. Now beware, opaque mode does not make your model transparent. All the other ones do. Just remember to use Spout2 from now on whenever you stream. But now you're ready to go. Hell yeah! Woo! I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please leave a like, subscribe and stuff because it is really inspiring and really helps. Thank you for being here. We are soon reaching 500 subscribers, which is really cool. So thank you so much everybody that subscribed. And see you in the next one. Check out the links below in the description and have an amazing day. Bye!